Terra Luna Classic continues to garner attention, and this time it's because of the Binance burns. Guys, Binance coming in and burning massive amounts of Terra Luna Classic. We're gonna be talking about those numbers here in a minute. We're gonna be talking about the fact that Binance is continuing to be one of the largest supporters of the Terra Luna Classic ecosystem and blockchain. And we're also gonna be discussing some new proposals out there. Yes, it is never a dull moment in Terra Luna Classic. New proposals that seem to want to undermine the current Layer 1 development team. It is good to be skeptical of the Layer 1 team. We have to make sure that they are doing their work because we're paying them hundreds of thousands of dollars in order to do so. Please realize that. But we need to talk about the importance of the votes because a lot of negative attention if people vote a way that you disagree with. So let's discuss Terra Luna. Welcome to Terra Classic Update, your source for the latest news and insights on the Luna cryptocurrency. Stay up to date with our in-depth analysis, expert insights, and up-to-the-minute news. Subscribe now to stay ahead of the curve in the world of Luna. Guys, let's just get into it, right? 1.2 billion Terra Luna Classic burned in one fell swoop by Binance. That's roughly $130,000 at the current price. And when Terra Luna Classic goes back up in value, that could be $400, $500, $600, $1 million worth of Terra Luna Classic being burned on the month. Now, of course, that is an optimistic outlook because Terra Luna Classic has been moving lower in price over the last couple of months. But remember the overall cryptocurrency market has also stalled out a little bit over the last couple of months. It had a very nice 2023 to start. The banking sector was seeing a lot of turmoil. Cryptocurrency was running, Bitcoin was running as an alternative to the banking sector. But now we're a slight pullback as regulatory concerns and I guess new laws out of the European Union come to be. So there are a lot of growing pains that we are still gonna have to go through, I guess, in terms of the overall crypto market. But guys, the support for Terra Luna Classic continues on and it is an absolute beautiful thing to see. Now, just to briefly talk about the burns for one more second. The 1.2 billion that Binance burned today brings the total Terra Luna Classic burns to 55,367,585,315 Terra Luna Classic. Now, guys, in terms of the overall supply, this is still a relatively small number, but in terms of being able to burn 55 billion Terra Luna Classic in a matter of months, which is what we've been doing, think about this. It was like September when we started to really burn and focus on burning Terra Luna Classic, and in just the last couple of months, we've been able to burn 55 billion. This is one of two situations, glass half full or glass half empty type of a situation where, yeah, we've only burned 55 billion, or could we burn 55 billion Terra Luna Classic in the last couple of months? And things can only get better when the bull market returns. Now, doing this in a bear market, it does have its benefits because Terra Luna Classic's price is low. But doing it a bull market can be so much better because there are that many more people and it is an exponential growth factor that takes place during a bull market. So it does have its pros, it does have its cons and all of that. So, Binance, thank you very much. I know nobody from Binance is watching this video, but thank you very much for burning and supporting the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. Now, talking about the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, we do have a proposal out there. That is a vote of no confidence in the current Layer 1 team. And it has a lot to do and we can break this proposal down in a later video, but it has a lot to do with an addition of some code to freeze Terra Luna Classic wallets. Now, the idea or the addition of this code came from the Terra Vita or the Terraport Finance hack. The idea was that if we can identify who the thieves were, we know who they were, right? It was Terra Vita and Terraport. But nonetheless, if we know who they were, we can go out there, freeze their wallets and hopefully recover those assets. Well, clearly, that's a slippery slope you go down. When you allow people the, power to freeze wallets on any blockchain, even if it's in the best interest. Who determines in a decentralized authority whose best interest is in mind a set of validators, one or two Layer 1 developers. It does become a very slippery slope. Now, nonetheless, we've got a couple posts out there because the majority of votes right now are no votes. But there are 3 validators that have voted yes to this vote of no confidence, and one of them is a rather large validator. This is an interesting post because it has 397 comments on it. basically all agreeing with the original poster. And here's what the post says. Are you aware of your vote yes to Proposal 11492, which is to withdraw confidence from the Layer 1 team? A foolish act, and whoever puts your staking must withdraw your authorization. You should turn your vote into a no vote right now. Guys, could you imagine if this took place in a real-world democracy? I can, because it does seem like it's happening here in the United States if you vote one way over another. But think about this. There are 397 almost like comments on this post right here stating that this validator has to overturn their vote and vote no. What kind of a decentralization is that when you are telling other people how to vote? You should be able to vote however you want, and you should celebrate those that disagree with you because they are allowed to disagree with you. I don't know if it's like just the world we're living in right now where you think that you can make up the mind of somebody else, or you can make a decision for somebody else in a democracy, in a decentralized unit. In Terra Luna Classic, you have the right to stake your Terra Luna Classic, you have the right to vote. And here's the good news and the bad news. People are going to agree with you and you are going to see the blockchain progress. People are going to disagree with you and you are going to see the Terra Luna Classic blockchain progress in a way that you may not want. That's the beauty of decentralization. You don't get to make all of the decisions, the entirety, the governance. Those who are staking Terra Luna Classic get to make the decisions. It's not down to one validator, it's not down to one developer, it's not down to one leader. It is down to everybody voting the way that they see fit. So if you are dumb enough to try and bully somebody into voting a different way, the best you can do is campaign. Put your points out there that you believe that this is a good reason because, and if it makes sense to somebody else, they will go along with it. If it doesn't make sense to somebody else, guess what? They have the right, the privilege, the authority, the beauty of doing voting to the contrary. That's all for today's update on Luna cryptocurrency. We hope you found our analysis and insights valuable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates on Luna and other exciting blockchain projects. And as always, thanks for tuning into Terra Classic Update. We'll see you in the next one.